In this procedure, we will be replacing a motor harness on a Lippert in-wall slide-out. At the controller, unplug the old motor harness and install the new motor harness. Tape together the old and new harness to help run the new harness through the wall. Going inside the unit, pull on the old harness until the new harness appears. Then you can remove the tape from the harnesses. At the motor, unplug the old harness and install the new one. This completes the procedure on replacing a motor harness on a Lippert in-wall slide-out.